I'm not taking the plastic off yet, or should I? Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Eventually we're going to do a review of the product, but I'm doing a white build, and I have purchased the AMD Ryzen Taichi 7900 XTX. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this thing. Look at it. The white is so bright. It's blinding out the camera. We're going to check this thing out. We're going to do a quick unboxing and see how beautiful it is. Now this is an all-white build. I want to make sure that I don't damage this box because it's like crazy tight. Let's see. So I don't have the box yet, or where this is going to go, like the case and whatnot. So real simple. Power supply, pamphlet, and here's the CPU. What does it come with? Comes with the SAG bar, the GPU rather. Here's the GPU. Without further ado, because I don't want to make this a long ass video. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Still has the plastic on it. Wow, it's snazzy as all hell. Well, this is interesting. The fan blades are actually connected to each other, so it acts like a cone. It's not like fan blades going to nothing. They're actually in their own, like, I like that. And they're definitely ball bearing, and they're definitely heavy. You can feel weight to these fans when you spin them. It's nice. Beautiful white. Look at the back plate. Massive card. This reminds me of the day when I had the 3090 Ti, the 3090 video card. It's really snazzy. Look at that heatsink. Holy crap. Great design. Taichi, Radeon, beast. It has one HDMI and 3 display ports on the side. It is a 3-slot solution. It's absolutely gorgeous. The center fan on this glows. It has LEDs around the center here, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the Taichi logo on top lights up too, especially if you have it mounted in the case such like this. So it'll be like this, mounted in the case, and you'll see the Taichi logo. But this is a complete 100% white build. And let's just do some pictures of this, and it's just an unboxing video. It's absolutely massive. I'm not taking the plastic off yet, or should I? Ooh. Didn't that feel good, folks? Beautiful, beautiful card. Beast of a video card. This will be paired with a 13700K, 64 gigs of RAM. I have an Enermax Liquid 3 cooler, 360. I have 6 fans going into it. 4 2.5-inch 2 terabyte drives will be in RAID 0. 2 terabyte M.2 drives in RAID 0. 2 terabytes will be 4 terabytes on that. 8 terabytes on the 2.5-inch drives, and then the boot drive will be a Sabrent Rocket PCI Express 4.0 1 terabyte drive for that. So we're going to have tons of storage. This will be a video editing and a gaming box, and that's that. Beautiful card. I'll be recording the build of this machine as well. I have a Leon Lee case similar to the 8700K build that I did years ago. This is a replacement of that machine, so I can actually do video editing on a lower end, I said lower wattage machine. So this is, I'm looking extremely forward to this. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.